Hello and welcome to SourceMogul. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the software to find products to sell on Amazon. So, once you first log in, you're going to be brought to the default screen, which is also known as the search screen. On this screen, you'll be met with two options. You can either search by supplier or search by Amazon category. And begin by showing you how to search by supplier. Once you click that, it's going to bring you to a screen that looks like this. On the left, you have the full list of the suppliers we analyze from your region. And on the right, we'll show a list of your favorite suppliers if you decide to add them to your favorites, which can be done here. So I'm just going to begin by running these up here. As you can see, it creates a preview of the suppliers you have selected and gives you the option to either remove them or start the search. So let's go ahead and start that. Okay. So heading back to the search screen and into the search by Amazon category. Essentially it is the same, however the layout does look a bit different. It's just a matter of picking which categories you want to analyze, and then it can be done by searching here. For now, we're not going to do those as we already have some searches running. So we're going to wait for them to complete and we shall be right back. Okay, so now that the searches have completed, we're going to show you how to analyze the results. So if you go to view results, it's going to bring you to a page like this that'll load all of the results for you. So these are all the products we've matched with Amazon. So from top to bottom here you can see the filter section. This filter section has been explained in another video that can be found on our training hub. So we'll skip past that for now. And then from here you can see the results. So start from the left. Here is the results of products we've got from the suppliers, the price the suppliers are selling it for, and then the name. To the right of that is the product we've matched it to on Amazon, again showing the price and the name of the product. To the right of this then we have our graphs. This graph shows you the sales rank, which is followed by the green line. The price is being sold for on Amazon, followed by the blue line. And the price the supplier has been selling it at, followed by the grey line. Now, to the right of this, we have our estimated profits and our return on investment percentage. So the profit is what you would receive as a net profit if you were to buy at the supplier price and sell at the Amazon price. This has also calculated in the Amazon fees. Here we can see the sales rank of the product to show how well it's doing on Amazon at this moment in time. And under that then your return on investment if you were to buy at $27.99 and then sell for $50.27. So you can also see that we do have a add to wishlist box. So what this does is if you add some items to your wish list, as you can see they've been added here, and then head over to wish list tab on the left column, you can see it's added the products to our wish list. So you're probably wondering what this does. In the wish list you can do a number of things such as check brand restrictions, delete restricted products, and check the stock. The wish list page is going to be explained in another video, so keep your eyes out on the training hub for that. But for now, we're just going to show you how to add to the wish list. So once it's been added to a wish list, you will see that it's no longer in your results page. That's because it's been moved to here. What you can then do from here is spend some more time while you run some searches just analysing the product more in depth, and then if you decide this is a product for me and you do want to go ahead and purchase it, you can add it to your buy list like such, and then head to buy list, and what this does is it keeps it safe for you, so once you do purchase it, it'll let you analyze it even further if you need to come back to it at a later date. Clicking on more information then, it gives you a drop down such as the fee calculator, tells you exactly what the fees are, the product dimensions so you can work out the delivery charges to Amazon, the amount of reviews the product has on Amazon, and how many people are selling. Another quick thing to note is any items in your buy list or your wish list will remain safe. Meaning if you were to head to the status page and delete any searches you've run to keep it tidy, any items you've added to the wish list or the buy list will remain there until you manually remove them yourself. So that about wraps it up for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Do check out our other videos in our training hub and on our Facebook page, which is also full of arbitrage experts who will be happy to help you along your journey. See you next time.